How to change Windows service name after creating it. I have created Windows service for Tomcat server and it is running well, but now I want to change service name without deleting it. So is there any cmd/GUI steps to change service name?
At the FHD's answer will work if you just want to change the display name, which is what's shown in the list in services.msc, but is not the real service name, which is the name of the registry key containing the service information, and used in APIs like Open Service. The remarks section of this MSDN article talks about service names versus display names a bit more. Unfortunately, there's no official way to change a service's name. However, it is probably possible, if you absolutely must rename the service instead of just reinstalling it under the new name for some reason. Do the following. Stop the service. You will probably confuse the service control manager if you do this on a running service. You may confuse it anyhow, this is very hacky. Open regedit.x, registry editor. Navigate to he_local_machine/system/current control set/services and find the subkey with your service's name. Right-click the key you found in step number 3, and select Rename. Enter the new name for the service. Restart the computer. Services.x, the process that hosts the service control manager, won't see the change unless you do. Attempts to start the rename process, or otherwise interact with it at all, actually, will fail. I make no promise of this working. It's probably worth trying, though, if for some reason just reinstalling the service under a new name is so unacceptable. If you must do this programmatically, there may exist a function read rename key that can do the fourth step above for you. I stress may exist because, so far as I can tell, this function is completely unofficial, it's not in MSDN and there's precious little info about it. The only thing I found, other than the Windows headers, which have the prototype, and indicate that it's only on Vista, NT 6.0, and newer, is a sysinternals forum post, which indicates that it calls an NT syscall, also undocumented. The function prototype, from winreg.h, is
The Windows command line program to change services is SC. Here's the Microsoft reference page, this URL. To change the display name of a service you can run. To change the executable you can run. For both of those commands, make sure you have a space between the equals and the new name, e. Display name equals new name, not display name equals new name.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.